Hi everyone. So today you can see we have received this E-Class for a complete paint job. In this car, and I'm just going to be very close because two panels were painted earlier, and I'll show you the mismatch which is there in this car. And you'll be surprised that how come someone can paint a car with such a big mismatch. So few things, let me show you first with the front only. So one thing is, you can see the car from the front. The bonnet alignment over here, you can see is a perfect gap over here. But if you see on the right side, there is no such gap. My finger is not able to go. Similarly, even the tail light, you can see, the headlight. You can see this headlight, the alignment is perfect. There's enough gap. But if you see on the right side, the headlight has gone inside. You can see the bonnet is out and headlight is inside. So definitely there is a hit from the left. We are assuming what hit was here. It could have impacted this, but not yet sure. So we'll be opening this car to see actually what is the problem. Now I'll show you the panel mismatch. Not sure how much the camera will do the justice, but you can see the clear difference between this and this. So the front left door is the original color and the rear left door is painted and it's not matching. So there are many such panels. Even from the side also I can show you that the dicky is not matching with the quarter panel and even with the bumper. So this car has been painted, I'm sure, for few panels, not the full car, and now the customer is not happy and he wants to change the entire color and go back to the original. But while we are painting this car in white, there is a requirement from the customer saying that can we have pearl white. So we're gonna add pearl to this. We are yet to decide because customer wants bright pearl. So it could be Audi, it could be Volvo S90 pearl. That we'll be deciding soon. So all these issues which are there in the car will be rectified. Very interesting thing that we'll be doing. You can see these are the original alloy wheels of this Mercedes. But lot of damages you can see everywhere. So we'll be restoring this, and exclusive carbon fiber paint will be done on all the 4 alloy wheels. Plus we'll be doing the regular oil change in this car. So roof also, right now you can see it's original roof, original color, but now we'll be covering this inside entire surface into gloss black so that the sunroof and the roof looks similar. So that's the requirement and that's what we'll be executing. And in this car, while we will be painting, the entire material that we'll be using will be of Glasurit Germany, right from the base coat to clear and everything. And it will be a UV protected clear, or even lacquer people call it. That we'll be using. It's an expensive thing, but yeah, this is German car, so we'll be using that. Stay tuned guys, we'll try to ensure that we cover the entire process and show you how the job will be done. Thank you so much.
So before dismantling the car, we are checking whether the car is mechanically fit or not. So we just replaced an oil filter. We'll update you as the work is going on. So we are about to dismantle the car, and as you can see, there's a lot paint imperfection. I don't know whether the camera is doing justice or not, but this side is a little bit yellowish and this is the whitish. So once the paint job is completed, we'll show you the results.
It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Bring the funk back. It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait. Bring the funk back. It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Bring the funk back.
It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Bring the funk back. It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait. Bring the funk back. It's like a family tree,
Bring the funk back.
It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Bring the funk back. It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait. Bring the funk back. a family tree. Part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Bring the funk back.
It's like a family tree. Part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Bring the funk back. Bring the funk back.
Everyone, so finally you can see this car is completely ready. And in the before video you must have seen that there were a few damages. So this particular side there was a damage because of which the alignment was not proper, and now also you can see the scratch on the headlight, which is part of the earlier damage which had happened. But now at least all the alignment, everything has been done perfectly. Even bonnet which was not aligned properly, it's completely done. The gap everywhere is perfect, both the sides. And as I said, this car was regular white color, but we have painted this car in a Volvo XC90 Pearl White, which is a very premium shade. Also, the material used is Glasurit German brand. So the base coat, primer, everything is of Glasurit German. Even the material which is called polyester putty, that is of Wood German. So all the products that we have used to paint this car is all premium products, and the clear that we have used is a UV Protect clear of Glasurit made in France. So everything that we used for painting at Autorounders is all premium. So please do not compare our work with any other people who are not using this good quality product. Also, they are not painting the car in the paint booth. So definitely you will find the difference in pricing, but also accordingly you will see the difference in the quality of the job also. So everywhere you can see the car is perfect, the gloss, even the sparkle of pearl, it's perfect. There is one more thing which we have done in this car, very premium and very exclusive thing, which is the alloy wheels. You can see the alloy wheels are now in carbon fiber. So these are hydrographic paint job done. The brake calipers are in red, but this is something exclusive thing done, which is generally not done by people, not even available with people. But this is called carbon fiber alloys, and this is the paint job. It's not genuine carbon fiber, but yeah, it's a hydrographic paint job, not easily available. So from all the sides you can see everything. One thing what we have done in the interior is we have installed the 7D mats. So this is something we have done in the interior. The rest everything is as original. The main thing, as I said, is the paint job, and there were so many panels which were painted earlier, and you had seen that there was color mismatch. So that's why the customer wanted to paint the full car so that it looks like brand new original paint job. So guys, as I said, if you want to do any quality job, you can call us on 7666 930 930 for Mumbai and 7666 830 830 for Hyderabad. Also, there was one more thing which was done. The roof you can check. The roof is complete gloss black. It's like a complete mirror finish. This type of job is done so that you feel that it's a complete glass and not just the sunroof glass. It's a complete glass. That's what you get the feeling. So thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, we have Instagram page and our website autorondos.com. Thank you so much guys.